Hi everyone, my name is Sung and today I'll be demonstrating my website eBookers API and with the help of Postman. So here as you can see, there's a read request, and if you press send, it would display all of the informations that you can get from the database, including the ID, title, author, description, image name, price, category ID, and category name. And here's the source code for the files. So if you come to the read.php, you'll see first creates and product, which is used to store all the information, and then the read function is called, which is from the product.php, and then goes to the table from the database, which selects basically all of the thing from this table name, which is the product table and order by product ID, and then all of the records is then returned to read.php, and if there is any record found, it would be added into an array and then returned back to code. And next we will have a look at our search method, which is here you can see a query string, and then this is our parameter name has. So if the user inputted bear, it would then show any records of title, author, or description that matches bear. And here is how the source code works. So from here you can see it receives the keyword that is inputted by the user with the get method, and then it is then called a search function that passed in the keyword as a variable, and then the keyword will be then used to select all of the information from the product table which matches the product title, product description, or product title with the keyword name, and then the record is then passed back again to the search, and if there is no records found, then an error message will be prompted, such as this: no products found. Now let's talk about the function that we have in this eBooker webpage. And first of all, let's create an account, and you will have to input your username, email, and password. In case if you want to check the password, you just have to press the show password button, and right after registering, you'll be able to log into your account, which you will be able to see your username here. And the cart function is currently disabled as we don't have anything in our cart. So let's add 1 or 2 books in our cart. And as you can see, both of the books are in our cart right now. And if you have changed your mind and you didn't want to purchase for this book anymore, you can just simply press the delete button, and it will bring you back to the home page after all of the books have been removed. So let's add a few more books here. 3 books in total. And in order to purchase the book, you just have to press the payment method and purchase. Then it will then appear in your user library that you can start reading your books. And for the books that you have purchased, if you go back to the main page, you will not be able to add them to cart anymore as you have already purchased them. Or even for the book that you have added to cart, you will not be able to add in. Well, for the user interface design part, I have decided to use a gray color background for all of the web page, so it's more clean. It's not too colorful for everyone when you are trying to go through the content. And then there is a green, orange, and dark blue for the other colors. The dark blue is used for title, which is to make sure that it is more saturated and user will be able to see them. While for the header, I have decided to include the same header for every single page, so it is more consistent. So right now we'll be talking about the responsiveness of our web page, which, as you can see, we are currently on a mobile version, and the slideshow is working, and all of the other books is displayed in a single column, while the recommendation part is at the bottom, and all of the other categories works as well. Okay, so if we try to go to the sign up or login page, it works. And let's go to the book description page. As you can see, here's the author, the content description, and here's the card. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening and have a nice day.